Arthurs Sett, Salisbury Craig, St Anthony's Chapel, St Margaret, Loch, Duddingston Loch, Holyrood Palace, Holyrood Park as something you must heard if you're in Edinburgh. It must be on your wish list. You're supposed to visit it. Let's explore Holyrood Park. For you guys, we're gonna take you all the way around and we're gonna go one by one to everything which is situated in Holyrood Park. So, but today's walk, I'm gonna take you around St Margaret's Loch. This Loch, a lake, is a man-made lake. You can see here beautiful ducks. Sometimes if you look at them, you really fall in love with them. Sometimes they got scared and they just jump into water. It's really amazing how they do. Walking around the Loch in the woods is a beautiful experience. Most of the time, this spot, if you stand here, look around, it's a beautiful view all the way around of the Holyrood Park. You can see beautiful. It doesn't matter you come in summer, winter, autumn, whatever. It's all the way. It's beautiful appearance for the people, for the visitors. It pleases your eyes. Let's see. So today's walk, as I mentioned, we're gonna walk around St Margaret's Loch. It's a must. If you're visiting Edinburgh, you can't miss it. You can't miss it. Kids comes around. Most of the people, visitors, who come here. It's a beautiful spot when you capture. Held behind, beautifully situated, held behind, and further up, if you see old St Anthony's Chapel, and beyond Holyrood Park, behind these woods and these trees, this spot, just for walking. You can hear crows, small birds. You see, it's really, you can come close to nature, very close to nature. It's just like that you're walking somewhere. Just imagine, if you've not been to Edinburgh, you are right in the middle of this city. Okay, but it looks like that you're far away from the city. So that's the beauty of Edinburgh. What best of both worlds. You got nature right in the heart of the city. You got medieval kind of old town, very old buildings, enriched with history, and at the same time just woods, huge trees. You're walking around and enjoying the beauty of nature, and look at that, look at the view, that old building, that St Anthony's Chapel left over, the ruins. What a view. This place is really a paradise for the photographers. If you love birds, if you love dogs, look at that. If you come here, you can sit close to them, you can watch them. If you love to see the behavior of these beautiful ducks, look at that. They're staying here, relaxing. Maybe now they get annoyed of me and they just want to jump into water and they want to swim around. these things. Well, walking around the same. This loch, really, it brings you closer to nature. It's eye-pleasing moments. You can sit here, you will enjoy it. You can forget what's happening in your life. You can forget all the materialistic kind of stuff. And the funny thing is that seagulls from Edinburgh, they're crazy. They're crazy guys. I know. They eat seagull you can see anywhere here. Comes here, especially they come here, because most of the people, especially carriers, they come there with the parents of the visitors or tourists. Even they're not allowed to feed the birds, but still people they do feed the birds because they love it, especially kids they love it. And seagulls, they are greedy people, greedy birds. They are greedy birds. Watching swans, if you love them, it's really a beautiful experience. You can sit, you can find a spot, sit over there, look at them, the way they swim, the way they relax, the way they stay calm. It's the moments are really beautiful. Look at that. While we're walking here on the side, someone is feeding them. So you can see swans, some seagulls participating, and some crows and some pigeons as well. And normally, I mean, this spot is like people are used to come here. Even though they are not allowed to feed, but they love to feed, and especially kids. They are crazy about that. You know, they're just crazy. They love it. And definitely seagulls, they're greedy birds. They love catch the birds' food. And listen, look at that. See, these moments, it's not easy to handle. You can sit them, you can sit around, look at them, watch the behavior closely, and it's really nice. It's nice, and the views are stunning. As I have mentioned earlier, really, it's like paradise of photographers. It's a paradise for photographers, and it's one of the most visited loch in Edinburgh, because some of the people, I mean, it's hard for them to go to Duddingston, which is further down over there around the hill further down, or the other one right in the middle. So this loch is the most visited loch in Holyrood Park. It got beautiful background as well. On one side you can see a wee hill, on the other side you can see Salisbury crags or St. Anthony's Chapel right up there. Because of these trees you can see the Holyrood Palace, but it's a beautiful place really. And sometimes if the weather is nice, if there is sun, everything is just, bring out the beast, the beauty comes out, and it talks, and it enhances the overall beauty of the park. And even a panoramic view of the place is gorgeous. You can walk around all the way around. It's a small path you can walk, and it's nice. It's really nice. While walking, you can hear various kind of birds, and you can feel really that you're walking very close to nature.